Day 2 at Gurston Down, and the shock is it's dry. So no scrutineering today, as that was done yesterday. So same format as yesterday, 2 practice laps, 2 timed laps. Looks like the morning practice is going to be dry by the looks of it, and we forecast thunderstorms for the day, so looks like the time lapse might be wet this time around. So on with practice. Let's see how we get on. 44 dead was my best time yesterday in the dry. So let's see how close we can get to that again. So 45.79 on first practice. A bit scrappy, but it has started to spot, so the track is a little bit slippy this morning, as we're one of the first people up the climb. So the challenge now will be to see if I can at least maintain that today. So on to practice 2. So second practice, dry track, 43.35, fastest I've been up that hill. Really impressed with that. I knew this car had a 43 in it. So really great going into the first timed lap now. All we need is the rain to stay off, and I should be able to beat yesterday's time. So great start to the day. Timed lap 1, here comes the rain. First time run in the wet, 49 something. Not very good at all, 6 seconds slower than my fastest one. I need at least 3 seconds on that for the next one, so let's see what time run 2 brings. Wow, there was only one run that counted today, and that was it. If ever I needed a good run, that was it. What's it, 44.49, chasing 44, half a second. Given the conditions, I'd have taken that in this weather all day long. So really pleased with that result, really pleased. In fact, a fantastic weekend overall. To anybody considering Gurston Down, the course is fantastic, the organisation is top class, the marshals are brilliant. Really, you need to come and do this hill climb, it's fantastic. So that's it then. Here's for another event. Next one is Loughton Park, the end of August. Looking forward to that. Love Loughton Park. So in the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all your comments. See you on the next video.